Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and I got our guest, Zach, with his $800 Duck TCV3 keyboard. Let's get right into it. So like I said, this is our graphics designer, Zach's keyboard. So how much did you pay for this?
$800.
And was that with the keycaps or without them?
Without.
So what keycaps are these?
GMK Oblivion Monochrome.
And so how much were the keycaps?
I got them in group buy for like $120, I think.
Is that a good deal?
In group buy, yes.
Sounds
Because they
expensive,
sell
but
for
yeah,
right now like
hey.
$200.
All right, I respect it.
Yeah.
How much do you think this thing weighs now? Holy crap.
7 pounds, 7 ounces. Or something.
So that's, yeah, 7.2 ounces and 7 pounds. So that's a heavy keyboard, guys, but...
That's without the included brass weight as well. I can still pick up a brass weight for it to make it even heavier.
So what exactly is the case made out of?
Aluminum.
All right, and then what's the switch plate?
Unfinished aluminum.
Unfinished aluminum, all right. So what type of switches is this keyboard using?
So these switches are purple Yacht Panda stems and Invyr housings with the Invyr stock springs, lubed with 205 GO, springs with Krytox 105.
So first thing I noticed probably is the layout on this is extremely different because you have all the function keys in like a pretty typical spot, but then number keys over here and then this over here is a little bit weird to me. So what exactly is this layout? Or what would you call it?
So this is a unique layout. Usually they call this like macro row or left F row, but it still has the function row at the top. Basically it's just a full productivity keyboard. It doesn't really have a layout name. And even though these have number keys on them, they're not macroed to number keys. They have different functions programmed to them. So these switches are what is called a Franken switch. They're not stock, it's a combination of two different switches. So they're a bit unique. So let's talk about how they feel real quick. The easiest way to describe them is that they're a mid-tactile. They have a nice smooth bump. It's not extremely sharp like Holy Pandas or Zelios, a bit more rounded out and longer.